What's up? My name is Elias. I'm 22 years old. I was raised in Oakland, and I'm here to talk to you about environmental racism.
1, 2, 3.
The phrase was coined by civil rights leader Dr. Benjamin F. Chavez Jr. He defined it as the intentional dumping and polluting of BIPOC, migrant, and low-income communities. The city of Oakland was established in 1852, but it wasn't until 1968 that the Fair Housing Act was signed. This would allow people of color to buy property and housing in just about any part of the city because they'd be able to take out the loans for it. Unfortunately, by then, most communities of color were already victim to environmental racism. Issues like redlining were more or less solved around the 1960s, but at that point, BIPOC communities were already prevalent in areas where, white people built systems that were going to affect us negatively. BART, AC Transit were running through our neighborhoods, so it affects us the most. Some of the impacts that you may be familiar with and might not know, long-term health effects, that's really the biggest ones out there. Specifically, issues that revolve around respiratory systems. It can lead to increased risk of breast cancer in women, and a lot of other things that you basically don't want. Some things you can do as a watcher, a quick Google search into environmental racism to get more in-depth knowledge of how it relates to you and how you can fight it would help us out the most, us being the community. Don't be afraid to use the power of the boycott. Learn which companies and organizations are most responsible for dumping in your area and take power, you know what I'm saying? Boycott them. Their money, that's their power. And you have all the power at the end of the day. Thanks for watching.